Justice for Tyre!
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 3 former Memphis officers who went on trial in the fatal beating of Tyre Nichols were convicted of 1 of 4 charges leveled against them, which is witness tampering, obstruction of justice. The 3 officers faced 2 civil rights charges: depriving Tyre Nichols of his civil rights by using excessive force, and depriving Nichols of civil rights due to deliberate indifference. In other words, not worrying about his condition after he was injured. 2 of the officers, Tadarrius and Justice Smith, were acquitted of excessive force and deliberate indifference.
Justice for Tyre Nichols! Say his name! Say his name! Tyre Nichols! Justice for Tyre!
One officer, Demetrius Haley, was convicted of using excessive force causing bodily injury to Tyre Nichols, and he was also convicted of being deliberately indifferent to his condition after the beating, also for bodily injury.
We love you, Tyre! We love you, Tyre!
We love you, Tyre!
We absolutely love you, Tyre Nichols.
We absolutely love you, Tyre Nichols.
Before the verdict was read, Attorney Ben Crump sat next to Rovon Wells and Rodney Wells, Nichols' mother and stepfather. There were many marshals in the room, and the room was eerily dead silent as the verdict was being read. No one made any serious reactions. I did see Rovon Wells bow her head for a moment, but the decorum in the room was very somber, very silent, and very serious. After the verdict, the family, along with Attorney Ben Crump, friends, and activists, gathered quietly in a huddle outside the courtroom, talking to each other and hugging each other. Rodney Wells, Nichols' stepfather, told me very briefly that, quote, "A win is a win, baby. They're all going to jail."
Who has embraced once before. The
yeah.
same God who has walked with us before. The same God.
One of the aspects of this case that made it unique from other criminal cases in Memphis is the video. Prosecutors representing the state released video of the beating that was seen worldwide. That shocked and angered many people, especially those who have been in Memphis for a long time, calling for police reform.
Tyre!
Justice for 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 Tyre!